go mago mabende ne otimore gwenge mago ma Kilifi kocha kama bende wayudo kanyo ni jatend piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto. Odiochieng' ma kawuono ne otelo e nyasi mano mar pogo omenda ne nyota ne rowere mago mabende wuok e kaunti ma Kilifi, Lamu kaachiel kod kaunti mano ma Tana River. Rowere go ne oyudo omenda mago mabende romo gana 25 mar mondo mi osir chenro gi mago mopogore mag chako ohala. Jatend piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto ne oloso kama e kinde nyasi makamano.
Ikipatikana Kenya tufanye, ikipatikana kwa mjengo tufanye, ikipatikana kwa mtandao tufanye, ikipatikana nje ya Kenya tufanye. Kulikuwa na wakora wengi, matapeli, kampuni ambazo zilikuwa zinawaibia wa Kenya. Tutakupeleka hapa, lipa hii. Tutakupeleka pale, lipa hii. Kuna kazi mahali fulani na ni ukora. Hawa watu wote, kampuni karibu 1000 tulisifunga. Na tukatengeneza program. Hata nchi ambazo vijana wa Kenya wanaenda kufanya kazi, tukaandikiana na wao bilateral labor agreement. Mkenya akienda pale tunajua anaenda kufanya kazi gani. Akienda tunajua atalipwa pesa ngapi. Na kama amepata nafasi ya kwenda kufanya kazi nje ya Kenya na hana pesa ya kulipia tikiti, sisi kama serikali ya Kenya tunamlipia tikiti. Bora akishafika kule apate pesa zake, arudishe pesa yetu. Kufikia leo asubuhi vijana 1541 wamepata nafasi ya kwenda kufanya kazi nje ya Kenya. Every week tuko na vijana kati ya 300 na 500 wanapanda ndege kwenda kufanya kazi nje ya Kenya.
Wengine labda hawakwenda chuo kikuu ama chuo cha anuai kwa sababu ya ukosefu wa karo ama kwa sababu nyingine, lakini wako na bongo zuri na talanta ya kufanya biashara. Hao ndio huu mradi unalenga wafaidike kama vile wale vijana ambao wamefaulu katika mambo ya masomo ya juu wanafaidika.
Podwagoyo manatache wechego mago matimore piny owacho mano mamalo wayudo kanyo ni jaloso elo piny owacho Isaac Mwaura oyango ni okenge mago mabende oseketi kod piny owacho mano mamalo kanyo mabende oting'o yorego mago mag ber, yore mag tudruok e yo lony manyasani, chenrogo mago mag chulo gope mago mabende pok no ochul e kind weche mago mamoko en okang' mano mar neno ni wechego kata uchumi mano mathurka obio ber. Ne oloso kod jofwamb weche kama ne owacho ni maino mano mar piny owacho margi en mano mar neno ni ngima oganda duto te obio beri e pacho kae. Ne oloso kama.
One thing that is very clear is that Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital has fully transitioned to a paperless, Afya KE system, integrating clinical, laboratory, pharmacy, and medical records to streamline patient care and reduce errors. The digital system also enables real-time data tracking, improving coordination across departments and satellite facilities, and enhance efficiency and accountability in public healthcare delivery. This is very important because this is what we are doing also with Cabinet. Cabinet is also paperless so that we also save our trees. And that is why we have Trufena today here with us. Also, in addition, the Treasury has approved 255 billion to clear pending bills and boost businesses. This is very important for our people. The government has approved 255 billion to settle long-standing pending bills to suppliers and contractors, easing cash flow pressures and restoring confidence in public procurement. 80 billion has already been released for roads, and 175 billion will be progressively cleared after verification supporting business nationwide. You remember, we had actually a business outlay or claims of up to 600 billion, but a good number of them were found to be fake, about 57%. They could not be verifiable. But the rest that have been cleared, now we can see they are being paid. And actually, 98% of these claims were below 100 million Kenya shillings. So it's very, very good. The other thing that is also very good, the government, through the Trade Cabinet Secretary, Lee Kenyanjui, has announced that Kenya's new automotive policy will allow Kenyans to buy brand new vehicles at price equal to or lower than 8-year-old imports. And this, for sure, is because of Isuzu, which which has positioned Kenya on the global map as the first country outside Thailand to manufacture MUX model. I don't know whether you pronounce MUX or MUX, with local assembly incentives reducing its price to by 27% from 13.5 million to 9.9 million. You know, if you get this 9.9 million, it's almost the same price with 80-year-old models. So this is actually going to promote affordability and strengthen local manufacturing. So there's a lot that the government is doing, and we remain committed to ensuring that we put our focus on that. As you know very well already, there's an IPO for KPC. Please buy the shares. We want to ensure that we have proper infrastructural development. We are thinking for the country. We just had a very good meeting with the head of the public service, on this issue. So gava iko tayari kukusikiza, si ndio?
Waringo nyake county no manoma Homa Bay kama bende waido kanyo ni jalupo governor county manoma Homa Bay Joseph Oyugi Magwanga sanito koro ne upito ngweche nyaka enyim doho kama bende ne ong'ura ka owacho kata ne okwayo governor manoma county ma Homa Bay Mikae Gladys Wanga mar mondo miyo ya wapisi mare ma osebedo ka olora chakre higa manoma okalo. Magwanga wacho kanyo kata lero ni okang mane okaw mano mar loro apisi mare no simone chwalo tijene ne oganda mawuok e county ma Homa Bay kaka jalup governor ma county no. Bende owacho ni nyaka gie sani pok oyudo tudruok mora mora kawuok kuom governor Wanga e kanyono mano ma bende owinjore otiye kinde ni ma pod olor apisi mare.
I went to court. I want to make it very clear that I went to court to petition the court to order the governor to unlock my office that she locked since last year. She has actually rendered me jobless. I have nowhere to sit to offer the services to the people of Homa Bay, because the people of Homa Bay require the service, so I cannot operate from or under tree, much as I can operate from my home. And there has never been communication direct from her instructing me on what to do. So this is now a disservice to the people of Homa Bay. I'm earning a salary but not offering any service. So I want to appeal to her. I want to appeal to her to make the necessary arrangements to even unlock that office before even the court delivers or act on it. As Joseph Oyugi Magwanga, who vied in 2017 for the position of governor and now have been the deputy for Gladys Atieno Nyasonawanga in 2022, in 2027, I'm going to be on the ballot as the governor for Homa Bay County. So let her actually prepare that we are going to face off. And all along, she has just been overpressing the national government projects coming to be hers, yet she cannot tell the people of Homa Bay where she has taken the close to 48 billion allocation that was allocated to Homa Bay County since she became the governor of Homa Bay.
Podhochieng manatache county ma Homa Bay kanyo waido kanyo ne lakteche mago mawuok county ma Homa Bay ne jobago ng'anyo kama bende giwacho ni piny owacho mano ma county ma Homa Bay joseren keto e tim moko kuom winjruoge ma bende ne gibedo godo. Ng'anyo ma kamae ne owinjore ochakre wuok tich, kata kamano piny owacho mano ma county ma Homa Bay ne josingo mar ni gibiro bedo ka giketo e tim moko kuom winjruoge mane gibedo godo. Lakteche go sani to koro yuago osachgi magiwacho ni osedeko kuom kinde malach. Nyaka gie sani Kevin Osuri mano mabende ochung'ne chenro go mago mag thieth e county mano ma Homa Bay wacho ni piny owacho ma county ma Homa Bay oseketo kanyo chenro makare mano mar neno ni yuak mago mag lakteche go obiro tieki.
To ensure that this strike starts today, because it has delayed by one day. It was to start on Monday midnight, but the county told us to hold on, and they were promising to engage. But sadly, they did not engage anyone yesterday. And the little engagements that we have tried to have with them in the 21-day strike notice period has been nothing but nonsense, PR, and lies. One of the things they promised that they are going to promote the doctors, they cannot even post the pay slips for us to download and see those changes. They owe doctors money. Some guys who are previously promoted, and nothing changed on their pay slips. And I'm sure somebody is banking and eating that money. They are to pay them back their money and their arrears. The pay slips are not yet out because they know very well that they have no intention. We have gone on strike before. They have issued promises before. And they have not honored any of it. And that's why we are not willing to take that. From 2021 to 2025, they deducted our members 3,000 shillings per doctor to remit to the union. 6.1 million of that money never reached our union. That's called stealing, obtaining through false pretense. That's theft by an employer. When you raid our meager pay slip to find the union and you don't, when we take loans, when we take policies for insurance, when we take circles, savings, and we tell you that please deduct this money from my account and remit it to my circle, to my bank, to my insurance company for my child's school fees, and you deduct that money and you pocket that money, that is called theft. And that is what Homa Bay County is doing. Homa Bay County has employed so many doctors on contract. Actually, in this facility, there are more contract doctors than on permanent and pensionable. And we tell them, convert them to permanent and pensionable. It's much cheaper because in PNP, you don't pay gratuity. This is one of the easiest things they can do to show goodwill because it has no financial implication. They have refused to do that. Homa Bay County is where when you disagree with the minister or a chief officer or a director, just through a phone call, you are struck off the payroll. And we have doctors that have been struck off payroll for reasons that is only known to whoever made that phone call, and they're not following any HR guideline. Homa Bay County is where they deduct your money for medical cover, and somebody pocket that money, and now we have doctors in Homa Bay County with no medical cover. And you expect these doctors to come and serve our people? They are being too ambitious on that. So as KMPDU nationally and at the branch level, we are saying that we are done begging. We are now ready for bargaining, where the county must say if they want healthcare workers in the facilities, doctors in the hospitals, then they must honor the end of the bargain.
Governor Wanga, it is the 5th day of the month. You have not paid salaries for any of the workers of Homa Bay County. Governor Wanga, you cannot play around with the pay slips of doctors. You cannot be deducting money meant for the union and not remitting it. You cannot be deducting money meant for health cover and you're not remitting it. And the workers, the doctors are suffering. Governor Wanga, you cannot gallivant around the country. You cannot be gallivanting around the country and healthcare in Homa Bay is failing. We are starting a strike that will be a very major strike.
Mana kaka na chako kawacho ni weche gi akelo ni mana e yono mano machiek gi kanyo bende madikela giko mar ni weche manyien gi sani. Kata kamano kik wi wil tudori kod jafwambo wadwa Josh Odhiambo Mitula ka obiro bedo ka okelo ni weche gi manyien ka omolo kanyo saa achiel ka achiel kod sade kibedo kod kinde majaber kendo idhi nyime rango wang' jowi mar kala. Nyinga Nelly Achieng ndhine oriti masani.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you are